Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Wayne, New Jersey, actually doing a service call for a client. I'd say maybe this installation is about a year old. And the client said suddenly there was, spew of water coming out. And then of course you could see some water here, the towels on the floor to keep the floor dry. So a couple of things here. I did ask the client, do you have a cleaning service? And he did say yes. And so it looks like sometimes cleaning people can be our nemesis, because they will, a very thorough cleaner will attempt to start taking things off to clean them, especially if they look gunky. So like when I first walked in here, this guy looked like this. See, sticking out over the top, gap over here. So looks like they did take it off, cleaned it up, put it back, but just didn't put it back in the right spot. So slide that down, double checking everything. And same thing up here. You see that overlap? See how it's higher up? So because it's higher up, there's gonna be a gap here at the bottom. And then probably the most funniest one is the bottom sweep is actually the wrong way. You see that plastic there that's sticking out? It's called a diverter. That diverter is supposed to face into the shower space to, when the water rolls down the door, that diverter kind of like pushes the glass back into the shower space. So this is backwards. And again, the shower is about a year old. The sweep looks very clean. So it's most likely it was taken off, cleaned, and then just put back the wrong way. So a couple of things to keep in mind, especially if you have a cleaning service. If they're very thorough cleaners, they'll start possibly taking off your bottom sweep to clean it. I'd say maybe half of the time. I get a service call like this and I see the diverter the wrong way. Half of the time it's because they're very thorough cleaners, and they know how the sweep works, but sometimes it's in such a rush. If you've ever seen these crews work, they're always at full speed and they're moving fast. So just put it on the wrong way. So we're gonna go ahead and just readjust this vinyl, bring it down, take the diverter, turn it around the right way, and then it'll be back to original condition when it wasn't leaking. And then I'll do a full thorough inspection while I'm here, just to be sure there's nothing else. All right, so if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.